Hi everyone, just a quick update today on the yen, the Japanese yen. The reason I'm bringing that up is that the big macro event over the next couple of days, so including the weekend, is the G20 meeting. We've got this big meeting between Trump and President Xi of China. It's important because it could potentially deflame the situation a little bit in this trade war. So what we're expecting to happen here is that Trump's personal relationship with Xi overcomes the difficulty overall of this negotiation. We're probably unlikely to get a signed, done and deal trade deal at this point. That would need to involve more people, but Trump unlikely, I would say, to add tariffs at this point to the further Chinese imports into the US. So assuming that sort of fairly risk positive outlook and scenario, that should be negative for the yen. The yen is normally a haven trade. So I'm just flipping over to the euro yen chart here. And if I shift the chart along a bit, you can see that we had this flash crash, so flash spike in the yen actually, but flash crash in euro yen. And we've come back and tested those lows over here, 121 being the main round number that we're looking at. And we've basically tested it once, we've tested it twice, we've got a rebound, we've got this kind of down sloping consolidation pattern that we've been in. So a possibility here is, if we get this risk positive result from the G20, the trade war risks fade away, for example, then people get out of the yen, they move into riskier currencies like the euro. In which case, potentially the euro yen breaks out of this consolidation near this above 123 and targets the next big round number around 125. If things don't go to plan at the G20, potentially we end up closing back below 122, and I think that would probably negate this positive potential scenario here. And given that this is generally a sort of down sloping market, we've been putting in successively lower lows, not lower highs, but we've not been putting in lower lows recently. That's why I think we could get the rebound. We could have a base put in here. But we've got to keep in mind this has been lower highs. That said, we are most likely to, if our primary scenario doesn't take place, then we could see a resumption of the downtrend and euro yen taking out 121. So let's look how it behaves around this trend line and how whether it's 122 or 123 we can move it beyond. That may dictate to us whether we break below 121 or have a little push up to 125, as we suspect might be the case. All right, thanks everyone. Enjoy your weekend and good luck trading for Friday. Cheers, Jasper signing out.